So this says which equation cannot be solved by factoring. Now what that means is they're going to have they have to have integers for, like if I have ax minus p times bx minus q, when they say factorable, that means that a, b, p, and q are integers. Okay? So that's if it's factorable. So I'm gonna it would probably take you guys a little longer to do, but like this one is just x. Think of two numbers that when I multiply them, I get -4, but when I add them up, I get a +3. Well, this is going to be x plus 4, right, times x minus 1. So that's factorable. This one's going to be x plus 3 times x plus 3. This one is going to be 3 and 2. This one's going to be x minus 3 times x plus 2, right? This one's a challenge, right? There's no way I can multiply two numbers to get a -4 and have a +5. I can't do it. Not with integers. Well, you might think, well, 1 times 4 is 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. Well, it would work if this is a plus sign. But when it's negative, that means either the 1 or the 4 has to be negative, and then that won't add up to 5 at all. So let's see. So yeah, that's it.